Good. So now I am asking you the question regarding of the immigration. Okay, what's your good name?
My name is Amit.
Amit. Okay. So where are you going right now?
Africa.
You are going to Africa. Okay. And how long you will stay in Africa?
About 1 year.
About 1. Have you got your passport and visa?
Yes.
That will show. Okay. So I think that you will stay here for 1 year.
1 year.
Okay. What's your level?
I am diamond trader.
Diamond trader. How long have you been a diamond trader?
Sorry?
How long have you been a diamond trader?
5 years.
For 5 years. And your designation is also diamond traders.
Yes.
Okay. And where you are going in Africa?
Because
Where?
Gabriel.
Gabriel. Gabriel, it is with your last destination.
Yes.
Okay. And how much money do you have? Dollar?
300.
300. It is sufficient for you? Have you got any bag or anything?
Yes.
Okay. What? This is your bag?
Yes.
Okay. Have you checked it?
Yes.
How much of weight of it?
My clothes and some fruit.
What weight? I am asking about your bag.
25 kg.
Okay. And what is in it? What is in it?
My clothes and some fruit.
Your clothes and some fruits. Okay, fine. And are you going alone or with having some friends?
My team leader,
Okay,
my
okay.
friend and me.
Okay, good. And I think that which language do you know better?
Better my language Gujarati.
Gujarati. But here is that totally is English. So can you speak English with them?
Yes, yes.
Your English is. You will go there as a do work or you will train them.
Train.
You train them.
Yes.
Okay, good. Nice. You can go. Chalo. Yes, next question. Yes, sir. Okay, where are you going?
I'm going down.
Okay, what's your good name?
Suresh.
Suresh, and who has sponsored you?
Kegidala.
K. Gitala. And what is your company? Where is your company?
Near the Umya temple.
It is in Surat.
Yeah,
And where are you from? Where are you basically from?
basically Surat.
You are I think you are from India.
Yeah.
Okay. And where are you going?
I'm going to Africa.
Africa. What is your last destination?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. And how much money do you have?
$300.
$300. So I think that is sufficient for you.
Yes.
And do you have any bag?
Yes, my 2 bag.
Oh, where is your bag? Have you checked it? Have you got your bag? So how much in 2 bags?
Some clothes and some food.
Sure.
Yeah.
Shall I check it?
Yes.
Okay,
Sure.
I think there is not any defective things or anything, any metals
No,
like
no,
that.
no. You
Okay,
check it.
it's completely checked.
Completely.
Okay, have you got your boarding pass and visa
Yeah.
and all thing? Sure.
Yeah.
And how much money have you?
$300.
300. Okay, what's your level?
I'm diamond body.
Diamond position. And you are going as a work visa or business visa?
Now business visa, my work visa.
Right now you are going as a based on business visa or work visa?
Work visa.
Work visa. Means you are going as that let's work. So how long you will stay there?
1 year.
For 1 year.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope that your journey will be safe.
Thank you.
Good. Thanks. Yes, Mr. You come. What's your good name?
I'm Manish Bakwana.
Manish Makwana. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Okay. And where are you going?
Africa.
Africa. What purpose you are going to Africa?
Purpose of diamond show.
Purpose of diamond. What's your level in diamond?
I'm a diamond polisher.
Diamond polisher. Okay. And how long have you been working in diamond field?
About 5 years.
About 5 years. And whose company is sponsored you?
Kegidala.
Okay, with that. Okay. And how long you will be staying in Africa?
About 1 year.
Okay. University you are going to Africa?
Yeah, bro.
Gabron. So Gabron is the last destination.
Yes.
And what's your destination in the company?
Designation.
Huh?
I'm a diamond polisher.
Diamond polisher. So are you expert in your job?
Yes.
Are you expert in English?
Yes.
Can you train in English?
Yes.
Okay. Which how many languages do you know well?
Hindi.
Hindi?
And Gujarati.
Gujarati also. Okay. Anything? Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India. And which city?
Surat, Gujarat.
Surat, Gujarat. And where is your company in Surat?
Near Umya temple. Okay.
Okay. Thanks. I hope that your journey will be safe.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Yes, welcome. What's your good name?
Vaniya Jagdish.
Vaniya Jagdish. You are from Gujarati?
Yes.
Okay. Where are you going?
I am going to Africa.
To Africa. And you are having all documents?
Yes.
Like, show me how many documents do you have? What is this?
My documents.
But what is this?
Passport.
This passport. And any other
My document was
documents? And your visa, where is your visa?
his passport in visa.
Passport in visa. Boarding pass?
Yes, boarding.
Okay, this is okay. And where are you going?
I'm going to Africa.
Africa. Where? Where are you going, Africa?
Abroad.
Abroad. So why are you going there?
As a job proposal.
As a job purpose. So what in which field do you work?
Diamond. Diamond artist.
Diamond. You are as a diamond artist. Okay. And how much dollar do you have?
300.
$300. And are you going as a based on the training or based on the job?
Based job and training.
Training also. So do you know English?
Yes.
Okay. In which language you will train there?
Most probably English.
Most of English. Okay. And how much you are planning to stay there?
1 year, sir.
For 1 year. Okay, nice. I hope that your journey will start and you will be happy. Good day. Yes, Mr. What's your good name?
Alpesh Navsari.
Okay, Navsari wala. Navsari, I think that is in Gujarat. So you are from Gujarat.
Yes.
Okay, and where do you live in Navsari?
Yeah, I'm going.
So you given the name of the Navsari wala.
Wala.
So can you know why you keep the name your as Navsari wala? Like,
No, I don't know.
no, actually, you are just given. Your father has given. Like, it's okay, no problem. Okay, so where are you going right now?
I'm going to Africa.
Africa, in the city.
Gabriel.
Cape Town. So, do you have your passports and visa, boarding pass, all things? Do you have?
Yes, I am.
Okay. No required to show. I think that is certificate. And how much dollar do you have?
I have $300.
300. And do you know how much dollar is required? Up to date. You have. In the more, can you be afford yourself?
Yes.
Okay. And with whom are you going?
My team leader and my friends.
Okay. Your team leaders and your friends are going. Okay. And as of what purpose you are going to Africa?
Job.
About job. And how old are you?
36.
36. Okay, are you going alone or with your family?
Alone.
Alone. Now, right now, you are having, you said your friends and your team leader. What's your team leader name?
Mr. Kumar.
Okay, is he here?
Yes.
Okay, I would like to call him, but after some time. Okay, so nice to. Okay, and yes, Mr. What's your good name?
English.
Umesh. And where are you going? Where are you going?
Africa.
Africa. African city?
Gabriel.
Abroad. Okay, as a purpose?
Job.
Job purpose. And which company do you work?
K. Giddal.
And who has sponsored you?
K. Giddal.
K. Giddalala. I think that K. Giddalala, it is famous in Surat.
Yes.
Okay. And in which company you are going to in Africa, in abroad? Which company?
K. Giddal.
That is also same. Okay. And who has sponsored you?
K. Giddal.
K. Giddalala. And how much days for your visa is valid?
About 1 year.
For 1 year. Okay. So how many members are with you?
20 something number.
20 members. And why are you going there?
Job purpose.
The job purpose. And you will do your own job or you will also train to anyone?
Job or train.
Okay. So are you expert in training?
Yes.
Okay. Can you speak English?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Okay. Now how many do you have your team leader? Do you have your team leader?
Yes.
Okay. So what's your team leader name?
Mr. Kunal Shah.
Okay. Right now, actually, I want to meet him. So can you call him?
Yes.
Okay. So call please.
Mr. Kunal Shah.
Yes.
He is my team leader.
Yeah. He's your team leader.
Yes.
Yeah. You Mr. Kunal. Yeah, that's nice. I think that these all your guys.
Yes.
Okay. I think that I think that they are the expert.
Yeah.
Okay. And where are you from?
India.
India.
Yes.
These are you guys, no?
Yes.
Okay, nice, fine. So I think that all are coming and they are saying my team leader is Mr. Kunal Shah. So I think that I have to meet Mr. Kunal, who is a Kunal Shah. Okay, so I think that you have given them training very perfectly. I think that they can give, everyone answer is always same. So yeah, you have trained them particularly or they trained themselves?
No. Train particular.
Okay, particularly. Okay, so that is our method, right? Good. I know what I question, I just like outcome in our main topics. Okay, so I asked you that. So have you seen this results? They are speaking with me. They have given their introductions as well as the immigration process. So what do you think about their results?
Good.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, right now, if that actually you are the leader of them, no?
Yes.
So right now you are satisfied by their English and communication?
Yes, I satisfied because I know when they not learn from English.
Okay, okay.
Then their levels, how and now.
Okay, good. Okay, so you satisfied by their levels.
Yes.
Okay, and I had discussions with you about your level.
Yeah.
About your level. So how is your English level? When you joined it right now, how is your English level?
Okay. Ago 2 months ago, my English levels, I know English little bit,
Yeah.
but I know good English.
Yeah.
Yes, I
Hmm.
communication very well. Everyone, the understanding is now very good.
Yeah.
So English levels increase 70%.
Okay. So are you satisfied?
Yes.
Totally satisfied?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I think that you are going to Africa right now.
Yes.
So what types of work will you do there?
Management and
Management, sorry.
Yes.
And I think that there will be use of the English one, no?
Yeah.
So I think that when you join the class, when you think that I'm right now, I have to go to the Africa. So at that time, this question is created in your mind. English is not so good, and so when how I communicate with them before the joining the class, is that question created in your mind?
Yes.
So is there any fear or any positive thing? Yeah, I will do that or whatever that happens. What do you think?
Actually, there is a one type of challenging for me.
Okay.
So I don't know properly English, how
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do everything.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
one type of positive things in my mind. Yes, I can do it.
Yeah.
So
Mr. Kunal has arranged a class for you.
Yes,
Okay, and
yes.
your already course is going to be over. So how do you think right now?
yeah, like this.
Right now you are going in few days you are going to Africa. Now what do you think right now? When you will go there and you start the communication, so you think that you will have to face the problems with them?
No,
Okay, now
I understand what you say.
Okay.
And I will try. In case I listen some different words,
Yeah.
it will take some time.
Yeah.
But I handle this situation.
okay, you will handle that situation very perfectly.
Yes.
But then how you think about guys? When you start the class, okay, before that we haven't started class at that now, but right now your course is going to be over. So do you think that when you will go there, you have to face any problem regarding of English?
No.
You are perfectly ready to communicate with them?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see guys, actually they just joined and they just continue their course and they just learned something. They learned something, but actually I don't admire of myself, I just show you that they also studied well. They also studied well and they continue their course also. They also response me, they also what I things I have given them and they have practiced and started. And here is a Mr. Girish, actually he is a very punctual. He is very punctual according to his works and studies also. And every time he guides to his members also. And also that in foreign he will also guide them. And these all guys, they also be a very punctual. And I think that in the diamonds, to do the diamond job, that is very challenging job. And I think that actually for the diamond workers, I think each and everything is very easily to grasp them. Because as per their thinking. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay, and I also again to Mr. Actually there's that is a managers of this company handling this management teams. Like his name is Mr. Kirit Bhai. I also like to invite them. So please, Mr. Kirit Bhai, come here. Okay, so I am glad to him. Yes, Mr. Kirit. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, so I think that I am also fine. So actually I am very happy to join with you and I got such a the opportunity to teach you like as a more age than me, okay? And in the search of the duration, in such of the period you got a good results. So I am very happy. Okay, so I think that are you really happy with us?
Superb, really.
Okay, right, good. I think that you are having so excitement, so that pronunciation is not come to your mind. Okay, it's okay, I understand. Good, and I think that how much you think have you got right now? So how much level have you got by us? એટલે પહેલા જો તમારું લેવલ હતું અને અત્યારના લેવલમાં કેટલું ફેરફાર છે ચેન્જ થયું છે કે
100% pending છે.
Okay. As per the workers and your levels,
100%
totally true. And you think that before they started our classes and after they completed the classes, કે actually ત્યાં જઈને આપણે ઇંગ્લિશનો રિલેટેડ પ્રોબ્લેમ થશે કે અત્યારે તમારા માઇન્ડમાં છે કે નહીં અત્યારે નથી ઇટ્સ ટોટલી ઓકે સો નાઇસ આઈ થિંક ધેટ યુ ગિવ મી ધ વેરી કોમ્પ્રેહેન્સિવ આન્સર સો થેન્ક યુ ઓકે ચલો I have the clap for them ચલો now we can